viewers, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make chocolate pongal with foxtail millet. This is a delicious pongal recipe with chocolate. Instead of regular pongal, try this unique pongal recipe for this festival season. I am preparing it with foxtail millet. You can prepare it with any millet. It tastes perfectly delicious. Let's jump into the making. First, I have taken half cup of foxtail millet. I have soaked it for about 4 hours and 2 tablespoons of Moong Dal. Wash both thoroughly until the water runs clear and soak it. Now I have added and drained the water. Next, add 2 cups of water and 2 cups of milk. Cover and pressure cook it for 5 whistles. Meanwhile, let's prepare the jaggery syrup. I have taken 1 cup of jaggery with half cup of water. Switch on the flame. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add 3 tablespoons if you like more chocolate flavor. Add quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. You can skip it if you do not want it. Mix well without lumps. Chocolate powder may form lumps. Add more jaggery if needed. Remove it from heat when the jaggery dissolves. There is no need of any consistency. Meanwhile, our foxtail millet will be cooked. I have cooked it for about 5 whistles. Open after natural pressure release. Mix and mash it once. I have tried this recipe with Kodo Millet and Barnyard millet too. It turned out delicious. Do not mix the millets while cooking. Have one millet at a time. Check out my introduction video of millets in the description. Next, add the filtered jaggery and chocolate syrup. Filtering removes impurities and also the chocolate lumps. Mix everything together. Cover and cook in medium to low flame for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can see the pongal have thickened now. It thickens more on cooling. Let's switch off the flame. I have given the link of Kodo Millet sweet pongal and spicy pongal in the description too. Soaking helps in easier cooking and digestion of millets, so do not skip it. You can make spicy foxtail millet pongal in the same pressure cooking process. Fry 10 cashews in 2 teaspoons of ghee and add it to the pongal. Mix everything together. That's it, our delicious pongal is done. This is a must-try recipe for all chocolate lovers. Garnish it with chocolate chips before serving for enhanced flavor. Try this amazing recipe today and comment your feedback. The ingredients, notes and other playlists are given in description. Share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Thank you.